Hello, hello, it's me, Hans again, and I got some more than one subject for today. The current Republican presidential nomination polls, Trump is at 74.4% and Nikki Haley is at 17.9%. So she went down by a whole percent since last time I talked to you about that. But other than that, I got some news here on X. Guess who just been impeached? And no, unfortunately, it was not Brandon, not Brandon. No, it was actually Mayorkas, the Secretary of Homeland Security. He's finally been impeached in the House with at least 214 yay, 213 nay. And again,